College of Science.
Anong name mo?
Ako si Jan Michael Tejada, ID 119.
Meron ka bang kilalang prof sa Himpilo? Pangalan niya Cesar Luzon.
Wala, hindi seryoso wala. Sir Kumoko, I'm proud. I'm proud.
Meron ka bang kilalang tao na baka kilala siya? Sa tingin mo kilala siya?
Baka sa Philo Department.
Na, kasi yung tao. Wala. Thank you.
My name is Aidan Tayaw. I'm graduate of psychology here in BSU, College of Education.
How do you know Sir Cesar and so?
Is that we met some time ago dito, same department din. We shared a common interest. As in the interest mostly action films, diba? Mostly Japanese, martial arts, pero mostly the mask rider genre also. Nakakilala ko rin yung brother niya before, kasama ko sa ROTC before. Say hello to Mike for me nga pala. Besides that, common interest also. Common interest.
Okay, salamat.
Record mo na. Ano pangalan mo? Anong college mo? Kilala ko na sa service. Pag may kakilala siya, anong gagawin ko?
Kaya mo ba siya personally or as a prof lang?
Kilala mo ba siya personally?
Naging teacher ko.
Ayos ba siya?
Okay lang.
Ano na next?
May iba ka bang kilala na nakakilala sa kanya?
Maliban sa computer.
Maliban sa
Gusto. Naging silo lang.
Thank you.
I met Sir Cesar Luzon because he's our instructor in the Karate Club. I joined the Karate Club first year, third term of school year 2007-2008. That's how I met